Hello students, good morning and assalamu alaikum. Today's lesson is about, we are going to look at two words, between and among. These are the two words we are going to look at. When do we use between and when do we use among? Now, we use between when we are talking about two people, only two people or things. That's when we use between, when you are talking about two people or two things. It can be two books, it can be two chairs, it can be two mobile phones, it can be anything, as long as it is in two. Okay? So here, examples, we have number one, she was standing, dash, iron and huddle. So here automatically we are saying we have one, iron, another one, huddle. So these are two people. So we are going to use between. So we have to use between because we are talking about iron and the huddle. Only two people. Now number two, I will be at the office, dash 8 o'clock and 6. So it is two alternatives. One, either 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock. So it is just about two things. So the answer here still is between. Okay. Number three, what is the difference, dash a lion and an elephant? How many animals are here? We have only one elephant, two lion. So there are two. Remember we said when we are talking about two things, two animals, two people, anything, two, we use between. So here is going to be between. Now let's go to when do we use among? When are we supposed to use among? This one is used when we are talking about more than two people. More than two people or things. Can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 3 onwards, we use among. Okay? Remember I said between, we use it when you're talking about two things, two people, two items, two objects. Among is used when you're talking about more than two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Okay? So examples here we have, he divided the mango, dash, 3 boys. So you have to look at this. This is what will make you know which word you are supposed to use. 3 boys. So these are more than 2 people. So here it is going to be among. There are a few French speakers, dash the students. Students, there are many. They have not told us, they are not 2 students. That means maybe there are 10, maybe 50, maybe 30. So here automatically we have to use among. Now, here is an exercise. I want you to use among or between to complete these 3 sentences. Hamda shared the money, dash the whole class. Whole class. Okay? So it is this one which will help you to know whether we are supposed to use between or among. Okay? He is sitting dash two students. Is it among, is it among or between? Okay? Who dash or means more than two. Or, that is more than two. So you know, and you know when do we use. If we are talking about things that are more than two, what do we use? Okay? You have to be careful and answer these questions correctly. Thank you so much.